So at my office, clients are always asking me what my favorite foundations are. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 foundations that I personally love and use. Loves, I'm Carmen, founder of Luminosity Acne Skincare. I'm also a licensed esthetician that specializes in the successful treatment of acne. Okay, so let's jump right in with my 3 favorite foundations that I personally use. And what I want to say is that these are foundations that I've been cycling through back and forth for the last like 8 or 9 years. I really don't switch away from these ones. I may in the future, but for right now, these are just what I've been using. I tend to be a creature of habit. So if I like something, it's gonna be with me for a long time. Okay, so the products that I use, and these are in no particular order because I like them all. The first one, let's see. Okay, the first one is Priya's Mineral Foundation. Another one that's comparable is the Bare Minerals Original. And sorry if these look nasty. Like I said, I actually use them. And then L'Oreal's Infallible Advanced Never Fail Makeup. Okay, so I think Priya was actually like the very first loose mineral foundation that I've ever tried. I know for a lot of people, especially my age in your 30s, your first experience with mineral powder was probably Bare Minerals, but I think at the time it was called Bare Essentials. I think it was the same company, but don't quote me on that. Yeah, so my first experience was Priya. I knew the owner, Kelly Madison, back then when she first started the company, and she has an acne background. She has experience treating acne-prone skin. So when she created her makeup line, she wanted to cater not just to acne-prone individuals, but estheticians that also specialize in acne-prone skin, because she understood that we are the ones that know what's best for our clients when it comes to makeup and pore clogging ingredients. So she really did all of us a favor by giving us a makeup line that we could confidently recommend to our acne-prone clients. So I do love her for that, because generally it makes things easy. Okay, so with Priya, she has a whole line of makeup, but I'm gonna be honest, I haven't tried all of her makeup. Really the only one that I have experience with is the loose mineral foundation, because again, I am a creature of habit, so if I like something, I stick to it. I don't tend to like jump around a lot. So the nice thing about this loose mineral foundation is that it does have buildable coverage. So at first, if you apply it light, it can be quite sheer and it can just give you like a really nice natural look to your skin. But if you have a lot of acne or dark hyperpigmentation that you need to cover, you can continue to build up the layers and build up that coverage. So that is one thing that I like about it. Now, Priya products are generally sold through estheticians or on Priya's website, and I will have their website listed down in the description box below in case you would like to purchase some and try it out. Okay, so the other foundation that I like using is Bare Minerals Original Loose Powder. Again, it's a loose powder, so similar to Priya's. It does have buildable coverage, so it can go from sheer to more coverage. It just depends on what you personally like. Now with Bare Minerals, it is available at Ulta and other retailers. So generally, if like I run out of Priya and I'm in a pinch, I'll go and locally pick up Bare Minerals because I don't have to wait for shipping. Now the key here though, and I don't want you guys to just run out and just grab like a Bare Minerals powder and call it a day. You have to absolutely make sure that you are getting the original version of the loose mineral powder, okay? Absolutely avoid the matte version of the mineral powder if you're acne prone. And the reason for that is that the matte version actually contains a pore clogger in there. And if you are interested in pore clogging ingredients and you want to check if your current makeup is acne safe or if it's pore clogging, down in the description box, I'm gonna have a link where you can download a free copy of my list of pore clogging ingredients to avoid. This is a list that I give to all of my clients because eliminating pore clogging ingredients is always the best first step to take when you are trying to clear up your skin, because it really doesn't matter how good your skincare products are if you're still using acne prone makeup or not acne prone makeup. Pore clogging makeup, it will definitely interfere with that clearing process. Okay, so back to Bare Minerals. Again, you want to avoid the matte one. And this really goes back to what I always tell my clients, is that you cannot trust the claim that a manufacturer is making. So just because they use words like mattifying, oil-free, non-comedogenic, formulated for acne-prone skin, guys, none of these claims are regulated by the FDA. So really, manufacturers can have any type of ingredient in their products and market it towards acne-prone skin, and it can break you out. So really, the only way to know if something is safe for your skin, pore clogging wise, is to compare it to my list of pore clogging ingredients to avoid. So yeah, the matte one from Bare Minerals, again, that's a prime example of not trusting a claim that the company is making. Okay, and just as a side note, I promise I am not trying to vilify Bare Minerals. A lot of companies actually do this where, I mean, maybe it's because they don't specialize in acne-prone skin, so they just don't know any better. But okay, let's move on to the next one, which is the L'Oreal's Infallible. I have to read this because I can never say the whole thing together. L'Oreal's Infallible Advanced Never Fail Makeup. Okay, so with this one, it is a liquid foundation. So I know some people prefer a liquid foundation to a loose mineral powder, which is fine. And really, when you're acne prone, one is not better than the other. It just depends on if it's pore clogging or not. That's really what your concern should be. So yes, I like this L'Oreal one a lot. Now, what I want you to understand though is that with L'Oreal, they sell quite a few foundations under the Infallible line, or name I should say. I haven't checked all of them, so I don't know if they're all safe for acne prone skin or if some of them are pore clogging. Again, you'll have to kind of do your own research on that. But this one in particular that I mentioned in this video, I know as of right now, it is acne safe. With this particular foundation, I find that the coverage is not buildable and it's not quite as good as I can get with like a mineral powder. But you know, it's there, like if I just happen to not want to use a brush all over my face, you know, I can just go straight to a liquid foundation and I'm good. So those were the 3 foundations that I personally use. Again, some days I'll use one, other days I'll use the other. I just kind of go back and forth, and honestly, there's really no rhyme or reason to it. It's just whatever I feel that day. I've never analyzed why I choose one over the other. But yeah, these ones in particular are acne safe. So at least at the time of recording this video, you can feel confident in choosing one of these if you're in a pinch and you just need to get something that's acne safe without doing further research. Okay, loves, that is it for this video. I do hope that you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more acne related videos. Also follow me on Instagram at luminosity_acne. And then lastly, if you're still breaking out, if you're still suffering from acne, I would love to be the person that helps you clear up. I do have acne kits that ship worldwide. So you can just check the link in my description box below to get to my website and check out my kits. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Take care.